You want to file a case against Shiva. Shiva, call him after the class, right? And you please initiate quickly. Whosoever will filing the claim first, maybe there is a high chances of winning him for this party. You know, Prajwal, you went to the court, sir. I have given 2 lakh rupees to Shiva. He is supposed to give it to me. I am filing a civil case against him. Shiva is saying, Arey, I have given to you. You are supposed to give it back to me. Why you are filing a case against me? I should file a case against you. You have to give it to me. Right? Or there was a contract between you and Shiva. The contract get breached. You are saying that it is the mistake of Shiva. Shiva is saying it is the mistake of Prajwal. Just tell me. Prajwal has gone to a court, file a case against Shiva. Shiva has also gone to the another court, file a case against Prajwal. Are you getting my point? Because Shiva based out in Delhi, Prajwal based out in Kolkata. So Shiva ने भी अपने रीजन में केस डाल दिया, उसने वहां केस डाल दिया. So my dear friend, yes, Vivek. You want to file a case against Shiva. Shiva, call him after the class, right? Right? And you please initiate quickly. Whosoever will be filing the claim first, maybe there is a high chances of winning him for this party as well. You will be able to say that, sir, because I filed a case against him, hence he's just finding a replica case to me. There is no grounds of it, right? If he would have been accused, why he had not filed the case earlier? Right? So the point here is that I filed a case against you. I am Shiva. I am the plaintiff. Right? I filed a case against Prajwal. Right? And Prajwal here is the defendant. Right? Defendant. Prajwal again file another case against me where this plaintiff has now become the defendant and this defendant has now become the plaintiff. Right? This situation is known as counterclaims. Clear? Just go there and write it down. Listen it. Defendants claims against the plaintiff. Defendants claim against the plaintiff. Right? Don't get confused. How can defendant file a case? Case used to filed by plaintiff. No. It is the defendant who is filing a claim against the plaintiff. Right? Defendant claim against the plaintiff. Tried concurrently with the original complaint. एक केस वहां चल रहा है, एक केस यहाँ चल रहा है. चलने दो भाई. Right? That is called counterclaims. Clear to everyone? Right?